Hi, I'm Matt Burns, Director of Technical Marketing at Samtec. Today we're coming to you from the floor of Supercomputing 24 in downtown Atlanta. Joining me today is Sara Haber from our partner, VIAVI Solutions. Sara, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Can you tell us a little bit about VIAVI Solutions?
VIAVI Solutions makes all kinds of test equipment. What we have here today is our PCI Express test equipment, analyzer, protocol analyzer, and also exerciser.
I've been walking the floor the last couple of days, I think like you have too, and everywhere we see is PCI Express technology.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit more specifically about the demo that we have here?
Sure. This is our PCI Express Gen 6 exerciser. It's got an analyzer in there too, running traffic through Samtec cables to Rambus Gen 6 endpoint.
Okay. So here's the Samtec plug on the video. The cable is our PCIe C-G5 cable. It's Gen 5, but it's also capable of running Gen 6, 64 gigabit transfer per second traffic. So you told us a little bit about the VIAVI solution. Can you give us a little bit more detail about the Rambus endpoint?
Right. This is Rambus's controller technology. It's capable of Gen 6 PCI 6 traffic. And what we're doing here is we're actually running the PCI SIG compliance test across from us emulating a host to the Rambus endpoint. And you could see that it's running flip mode, which is a special Gen 6 configuration. It's running error-free, no recoveries, and it's also passing all the compliance tests, or the compliance tests that we have running here.
That's great. So one last question for you, Sara. Where can we find out more information about VIAVI Solutions?
VIAVIsolutions.com.
Very good. And for more information about Samtec, please visit our website, samtec.com.